Hi, welcome back. Once again, I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Unacademy is the India's largest online learning platform. We are happy to announce that now Unacademy is going to providing online training for GATE and engineering service examinations. So with India's top educators are going to be handling your subjects here. About myself, I G Venkata. I have 16 plus years of teaching experience. So far, I mentored more than 60,000 students for their GATE examination. And at present, I am pursuing PhD from JNTU Kakinada, and my specialization is VLSI design. Now here we check first how to get Unacademy learning app into your device. So just go to Play Store, type Unacademy. Then you get the Unacademy learning app like this. In this, by clicking on this install button, it will install the Unacademy learning app into your device. Now, this is very important thing. First of all, you should know what you are going to be getting by joining Unacademy. By taking Unacademy subscription, what you will get. Okay, now here you will get the first and foremost thing is daily live classes. Second one is structured courses, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access. These are the things you are going to be getting. Daily live classes. See, every day you have a live class. Even though your college is working or not, but here every day you have a live class. The purpose of taking live class every day is always to keep the student in touch with the subject. That is the intention. And in that class, in that live class, you can chat with your educator. You can engage in discussions. You can discuss and you can ask your doubts. Okay, and you can answer polls. During class is going on, faculty is going to conduct some polls. You can participate in that also. These are the things all you can do while class is going on. Okay. Second one is structured courses. See, once we start the preparation of some particular topic or particular subject, after certain levels, most of the students are going beyond the syllabus. Okay. Now, here your course is structured. Course is structured with your exam syllabus that help you for best to prepare for it. That help you for the best to prepare of it. Next, live tests and quizzes. So here you can evaluate your preparation with our regular mock tests and quizzes and get detailed analysis on your performance. See, whatever the preparation you are feeling that you completed, you can evaluate your preparation by attempting our mock tests and quizzes. And after that, we give a detailed analysis on your performance. Next, unlimited access. Unlimited access. So, once you take in a subscription, you can access to all our live and recorded courses to watch from the comfort of any of your device. You can watch from any of your comfort of any of your device, not only mobile, laptop, desktop, okay, tab, whatever the device you are feeling comfortable, you can view the sessions in that one. Okay, so that facility is there. It is not fixed to prescribe to a tab or a laptop or desktop. You can even in mobile also you can view the sessions. That facility is there. Okay. Now, these are the advantages you are getting by joining Unacademy learning app. Okay. Now there are two subscriptions. First one is iconic subscription. Second one is plus subscription. In plus subscription, just before, what are the things I explained? Daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, unlimited access. What are the things I explained? All those things you get by taking plus subscription, because plus subscription is the basic subscription. Even in basic subscription itself, you are getting all these things. Okay, you are getting all these things even in basic subscription itself. Is it okay, sir? Next, now we are moving to iconic subscription. In iconic subscription, what are the benefits getting the plus subscriber? You get all these benefits. In addition to this, you are going to getting personal coach, study tracker, mains question and answer practice. Okay, here we are going to providing a personal coach to you in iconic subscription. So that is you can get one-on-one guidance from the top exam experts. This top exam expert is acting as a personal coach to you. Every individual student we are allotting one personal coach. Okay, he is going to take care of that particular student, individual student. How is your preparation? How they are writing the examinations? Are they doing any mistakes in the examinations? Where they are strong? Okay, they will identify the gaps in your preparation. To fulfill those gaps, what they have to do, what the student has to do to fulfill their gaps, they will suggest, and they prepare a respective study plan to the respective student only, and after that they will provide respective study material also to the student. Okay, these are the benefits you are getting from personal coach. After that, study tracker. Okay, to know about your progress, okay, you can get the progress of your preparation. Here we are conducting study tracker plans. So by participating in study tracker plan and study booster workshops, evaluate your progress in bi-weekly reviews with personal coach. See, everything you are getting from your personal coach. Okay, next, mains question and answer practice. Here in this, in engineering service examinations, you need to attempt mains paper. So to strengthen your mains question answer writing, mains answer question, for every question you need to answer it. Now that answer writing through regular practice with evaluation and personalized feedback, you can strengthen your mains answer writing through regular practice with evaluation and personalized feedback. By doing this, you can strengthen your question answer capability in mains. So these are the additional things you are getting with respect to plus subscriber. So what are the benefits got by the plus subscriber is getting? You get all those benefits as iconic subscriber. In addition to that, you are getting these three: personal coach, study tracker, mains question and answer practice. Okay, these are the additional things you are getting here. Already we discussed plus subscriber, what are the benefits we got. You getting daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access. These are the things he is going to get. Yeah, now we are going back to our topic, common base amplifier approximate analysis. See, already we done the analysis of CB amplifier in exact model. Now I am going to moving to doing this same analysis by using approximate analysis. In approximate mode analysis, I am going to using the replacing the transistor by its approximate model. Okay, transistor approximate model representation. First I am going to representing that. So transistor approximate model representation. Okay, now first I am going to writing the approximate model representation of transistor. It is defined in CE configuration. Transistor is represented in CE mode. This is the approximate model representation. HIE, base, collector, HIE, HFE into IB, and this is the collector current IC, this is the base current IB, this is the emitter current IE. Now here you should know one thing, current directions. You should take care of current directions always in any, okay, in CB amplifier I will explain. So you need to follow the current direction of this one in any amplifier only for common terminal. While assigning the current direction to common terminal, you should take the direction from this. For remaining input and output terminals of the amplifier, currents should be entering into the device. Okay, now I am taking first CB amplifier circuit diagram. First circuit diagram. So here we are going to constructing every circuit from self-biased circuit. This is properly biased transistor. Okay, first taking transistor, it is self-bias. So connecting biasing resistors R1, R2, RC, RA. This is the circuit. R1, R2, RC and RA. This is properly biased transistor, and these are the terminals of the transistor: base, collector and emitter. At base we are connecting base is connected to ground through bypass capacitor because it is CB amplifier. It is CB. And at emitter we are giving input, and at collector we are taking output, CC amplifier, it is, sorry, CC capacitor, it is CE. You are giving input, so I am going to connecting RSVS, and it is here I am connecting a load RL. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of CB amplifier, and after that we are going to taking the after that we are going to take the AC equivalent circuit of this. AC equivalent circuit. AC equivalent circuit. AC equivalent circuit. Okay. Now, here, so you are saying it is a CB. So for CB, base should be towards ground. CB AC equivalent. Base should be towards ground side. And collector is at output side. emitter is at input side because emitter is the input terminal. Like this. So it is emitter, base and collector. Now, so it is CB, base should be connected to ground. At collector I am connecting a bypass capacitor RC, output bypass capacitor, and it acts as a default load. At emitter I am connecting the RE. Now it acts as a input biasing resistor, and here taking the input, giving the input, here taking the output. Sorry sir, it is RC. Now load, so you can connect RL, this is IC, it is minus IC. See, both input and output currents should be entering into this device. Both input and output currents entering into the device. And third terminal, base current. Now, for getting the base current, you need to take the approximate model. This is the approximate model representation of transistor. Base current is entering from base to junction. Base to junction. This is the direction of base current. Now, at input, I am giving RSVS source. RSVS. So this is the overall circuit diagram, and here it is going to be load RL dash. Effective load is RL dash, which is RC parallel with RC parallel with RL. RC parallel with RL. Effective load it is. This is the overall AC equivalent circuit of the CB amplifier. Now I am going to replacing transistor by its approximate model. In that, so this, your base is connecting to ground, emitter is at input side. So this is emitter, base, it is base, and this is collector. Collector. So it is a emitter, base, HIE, it is a HFE into IB. Now the standard current directions are emitter current, input current, and collector current, output current. Both should be entering into the system. And base current, here base current is entering into this. So this is the base current direction. Now I am giving standard connections to this. So base is connected to ground here. Base. At collector we have RL dash. Effective load RL dash. At emitter we have input biasing resistor RE. And RSVS we have. RSVS. In source we have at input side. And these are the voltages. VEB input voltage, VCB acting as output voltage. It is our output voltage V0. This is IC and this is minus IC. Okay, and here we take the input impedance RI. Here we take the RI dash, effective input impedance. This is the input impedance including source RIS. Okay, now first I'm going to calculating the emitter current because we don't know the emitter current. Now just applying KCL at this node A. So applying KCL at node A. Node A. So base current is entering IB plus collector current also entering IC plus emitter current also entering IE equals to 0. From that we can write IE is minus of IB plus IC. So which is minus of IB plus. From this you are saying IC, but it is H of E into IB. So we know IC is H of E into IB. Substitute that. H of E into IB. So which is minus of IB into 1 plus H of A. Minus of IB into 1 plus H of A. That is the IE value. Okay, now I am taking the circuit. So we do the analysis on this circuit. Yeah. First, as usual, I am going to calculating current gain. AI, current gain. Current gain. AI, which is minus IC by IA. So which is minus of IC value, we know that H of E into IB by IE minus of IB into 1 plus H of E, just before we calculated that. By simplification, negative gets cancelled, IB gets cancelled. Therefore, your current gain AI is H of E by 1 plus H of E. So AI is H of E by 1 plus H of E, which is approximately 1. Current gain approximately 1 in this sense, it can be used as a current buffer. Therefore, CB amplifier can be used as a current buffer. Current buffer. Okay, so its application. This is the application of the CB amplifier. It can be used as a current buffer. Why are you using this as a current buffer? Because its current gain is 1. So if you are giving some input current, it is not going to doing any amplification on that. Whatever the input current you are giving, most of the current it is providing at output. Okay, that's why it can be used as a current buffer. Next, so I am copying this circuit. Calculate the remaining things. So I am calculating one by one parameter. Input current gain is over. Second one is input impedance, RI. Input impedance, RI, which is input voltage by input current. Here input voltage is VEB, input current is IB. By applying KVL to this, sorry, input current is IE, sir. IE. By applying KVL to this, voltage between emitter to base is from here to here 0 because there is no resistor, and from here to here HIE into IB, but it is negative. So minus IB into HIE by IE value minus of IB into 1 plus HFE. So after simplification, it became HIE by 1 plus HFE. HIE by 1 plus HFE. And effective input impedance RI dash is RE parallel with RI. And one more, sir, HIE by 1 plus HFE. For common emitter amplifier, it is HIE K. But CB amplifier, HIE by 1 plus HFE. HFE is 50. So 50 times less than the CE amplifier approximately. So it is low value. Low value. Input impedance of CB amplifier is low. Now this is RI dash as well as RIS. I am going to input impedance including source resistance RS. Now here we have impedance between these 2 points is RI dash. Now RS plus RI dash. RS plus RI dash. Okay, now this is about input impedance. Next we are going to calculating voltage gain. Voltage gain. AV. So which is, we know that output voltage by input voltage. Output voltage is VCB and input voltage is VEB. Now output voltage written as minus IC into RL dash and from this input voltage is VEB is IE into RI. And this part is nothing but a current gain. So AI into RL dash by RI. Just substitute the values. AI HFE by 1 plus HFE into RL dash by RI HIE by 1 plus HFE just before we calculated. These two gets cancelled. Now voltage gain is HFE into RL dash by HIE. That's it. That is the voltage gain. HFE into RL dash by HIE. So once AV is over, directly we can write AVS, AIS. So AVS is equals to, we know that AV into RI dash by RI dash plus RS, and AIS is AI into RS dash by RS dash plus RI. Here RS dash is RS parallel with RE. Sir, RS plus RS parallel with RE because we are replacing voltage source by current source. Then RS parallel with RE. That is the RS dash. So these are the values of voltage gain and current gain including source. Okay, and the last one is output impedance R naught. So output impedance R naught. R naught, which is output voltage VCB by output current is IC at a condition of Vs equals to 0. Already I disconnected RL dash here. Now I am copying the circuit to make Vs equals to 0. This is the circuit. Here we need to make Vs equals to 0. Vs equals to 0. Just I am making that Vs equals to 0. Vs equals to 0. Vs equals to 0. Then Rs and Ra both are parallel. Now that parallel combination is, let us take it as Rs dash. Rs parallel with Re. Now the circuit is like this. Here we have Rs dash. Because both are parallel, it is connected to emitter. And here we have HIE. This is the emitter current and this is the base current. It is the collector. Now here I am going to applying the KVL to input loop. So at input loop, in input loop there is no voltage source, not even current source also. There is no source at input, so in input loop. So because of that, input current, base current equal to 0. There is no input. Just applying KVL to output loop. So there is no source in that. So IE into RS dash plus IE into RS dash minus IB into HIE. IB into HIE equals to 0. Now we can write IE is minus of IB into 1 plus H of E into RS dash minus IB into HIE equals to 0. From this IB equals to 0. Once IB equals to 0, therefore once IB equals to 0, IC is H of E into IB. It became 0. H of E into 0, that is 0. IC is 0 now. So once IC is 0, then your R0 is output voltage VCB by IC at Vs equals to 0. So we got, when Vs equals to 0, we got result is IC equals to 0. Take that and substitute here. Therefore it is VCB by 0, which is infinity. That is R0. Okay, so between collector to base, impedance is R0, and additional biasing resistor is there, RC. Including that you can write R0 dash, and another external load is there, RL. If you consider that one also, then you can write it as R0 double dash, and we can write R0 dash is R0 parallel with RC, and R0 double dash is R0 dash parallel with RL. With RL. These are the effective output impedances. Effective output impedances. Okay. After that, now what are the things so far we derived? I am going to writing all that on point. First one is current gain we calculated. Current gain we calculated AI, which is H of E by 1 plus H of E. Second one is input impedance Ri, which is HIE by 1 plus H of E. Third one is voltage gain and one more, sorry, it is approximately 1. Voltage gain is H of E into RL dash by HIE. Fourth one is R naught, output impedance, infinity. RI dash, RIS, AVS and AIS, all are equal for all circuits. These are the common things. This is the overall analysis of CB amplifier, and if you observe, it is 1 approximately, so current gain is low, input impedance HIE by 1 plus H of E, HIE by 1 plus H of E, that means it is low, voltage gain is moderate because multiplying with H of E, moderate, output impedance is high. Okay, and it is low in the sense approximately 1, because of this value it can be used as a voltage current buffer, so can be used as a current buffer. Therefore CB amplifier can be used as a current buffer. Okay, so this is about your CB amplifier. Next session we go and discuss about CC amplifier. See this, here are the few of the top educators from Unacademy. Tiwari sir, he is the IIT topper, and he has 7 years of GATE and engineering service exam teaching experience, and he is the author of the book GATE in 75 days. Ankit Goyal sir, he obtained All India first rank twice in GATE Electrical, and he was awarded President of India Gold Medal in IIT Indore. Sanchit Jain sir, he is a computer science faculty and having a teaching experience of more than 8 years. Jaspal Singh sir, he is ex-IAS officer, he got All India 4th rank. He is a scientist, GATE and state service exams PSU topper, and he is the ex-senior GATE ESE faculty. Okay, because of that we are claiming that our educators are the top educators because of all these things. Okay, here are few more top educators from Unacademy, and just we glance what are the different engineering exams, service engineering courses available in Unacademy for GATE and engineering service examinations. First, electronics and communication engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and IT departments, instrumentation engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, production and industrial engineering. These are the different engineering disciplines available in Unacademy for GATE and engineering service examinations. Next, there are two subscriptions, plus and iconic subscriptions. Already I explained these two, and plus plan is the basic plan. Iconic plan, we take your GATE and engineering service preparation to next level with personal coach. In plus plan, India's best educators are handling your subjects. Interactive live classes are there, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. Here also, India's best educators are handling your subjects, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDFs are there, and live tests and quizzes also is there. Here we are going to showing the difference from iconic to plus plan. Once you've written the exam, it is forwarded to your personal coach. Your personal coach is going to do the analysis on that. That is called personalized test analysis. Based on that, they prepare a proper study planner to you, and respect to study material also they will provide. Okay, respect to study material also they will provide. This is the function of the personal coach. In Plus Plan there are different subscriptions: 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription, 6 month subscription, 1 year, 1.5 year, and 2 year subscriptions. For 1 year it is 30,250 rupees. By using my code everywhere, you can use it everywhere. For any subscription you can use my code VRAW10, you get it by 10% discount. So after that it became 27,225 rupees. 27,225 rupees. Okay, that is the after 10% discount. After getting 10% discount, it is 27,225 rupees. Next, now I am going to Iconic Plan. So Iconic Plan is the in this only two subscriptions: 1 year subscription and 2 year subscription. For 1 year it is 50,250, and for 2 years 74,000. So both the plans, by using my code VRAW10 during subscription, you get it by 10% discount. Okay, 10% discount. Now see, don't forget to use my code VRAW10 during subscription, and hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Don't forget to subscribe us. Please give your valuable comments on YouTube, and join our Telegram group for getting latest updates on our upcoming videos. Now I am thanking one and all for spending your valuable time with us. Okay, and once again I am thanking the Unacademy to providing such a beautiful facility to me. Thank you very much.